G'day folks, in this quick little tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect the GoPro Remo Remote to the GoPro Fusion. So the first thing we're going to do is power on our Fusion by pressing the mode button, and we'll just wait for it to fully load. So once the Fusion is fully powered on, we're going to select the mode button, and we're going to cycle through until we come to the settings icon, which is the little wrench. We are now going to hit the record button to select it. Now at the top here, you're going to see that there's other submenus. So what we're going to do is hit the record button to select the other submenus, and we're going to cycle through until we come to the wireless settings. And you'll know you're at the wireless settings when you have that little antenna at the top there. So now at this point, we're going to hit the mode button to select a different menu. So we're going to select mode, and we're going to go down to connect. And again, we'll hit record to select the connect option. And from here, we can select what we're going to be connecting to: GoPro app, Remo Remote, Smart Control, and there's Bluetooth below that. So we will use the mode button to move down and select the Remo Remote. And once we're on Remo, we will hit the record button. And now it's telling us to put the Remo into pairing mode. So I'll set the Fusion down. And we go into pairing mode by holding the power button there. A long press, 8 seconds. So it's in pairing mode now. You can see the little blue light on the Remo Remote flashing. So the Remo Remote just vibrated, and we got a confirmation on the screen there that it was connected. So let's just do a quick test to make sure everything worked properly. So we'll just do a quick record. And yeah, everything looks good. Well folks, that's it. Hope you found this little tutorial easy to follow. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming Fusion videos. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next one.